What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, and today we are recreating Tommy Lee by TYLA YAWEH and Posty. If you can hang around for a second, please watch through the entire video. It helps the channel more than I can explain. It would mean a lot to me, so that would be awesome. Like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff, and let's make some bangers. Okay, so we're back in Ableton Live. I guess I should sync this up first. How do I do that? Oh god, okay. Play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bangers, 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 bangers. Okay, so we're in Ableton Live. I'm gonna start with the guitar. Pick up the old butte here. Let's find the tempo. Alright, so 116, I guess. By the way, if you want the guitar tutorial for how to play the song on guitar, click here. Or here. Whichever one, it's somewhere. Click it. Ooh. Alright, what should we get? Audio first. I can't hear anything! Oh. Hey, can I get this? Record. I wasn't recording anyway. Arm the track, you dumb head. You know what? I'm gonna cheat. I don't care. Alright, let's see. Zoomy zoom zoom. Your boy got skills, kinda. Not really. I know I'm a cheater. I don't want to talk about it. I'm just trying to make bangers. And what? Consolidate that ass. Perfect. So I think I'm just gonna lay down the beat in Ableton and then export it and do most of the guitar and vocals in Pro Tools. Okay, so it's like a short bass drum rack. Racks on racks on racks. Oh no, I don't want. Stop. I like that. Yeah, and it's like not even a snare. It's like a rim shot. Sounds pretty cool. Triplets on these hoes. Consolidate, duplicate, you already know. Time for some bass grooves. Absolutely not what I'm looking for. Ooh. That sounded like dookie butter. Time for a tutorial.
What about making your sound?
Oh god. Is that what I need? Is this the hip hop sound? Is that all I really needed? I'm filming a YouTube video here. Needs hi-hats. So now time hi-hats. I'm awful at hi-hats. I'm not good at them at all, but we're gonna try and make this shit work. Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. A shaker could be lit. Ooh. 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 That's a shaker, baby. Yeah, I fuck with that immediately. Where are the hi-hats? Why? Wow. Right there. I have no idea. Not that. Not what we want. Okay, we'll start with that, whatever. Now there's a second hi-hat doing some other weird stuff. Oh no. Whoa. I'm gonna give that a shot. All right, here's how the beat's coming. Okay, so now I'm just like layering different pads. I like to overdo the production side of it because then I can take out whatever I don't want to be there. But I like to just add a bunch of stuff because then I can pick and choose later what I think sounds best. So now I'm just layering random shit over top of everything. Woo. Ooh, perfect. What else we got? That's crazy. Maybe like one more thing, I guess. Let's see. Let's go weird. Ooh. Shit, maybe even one more thing. I don't know. Like this shit sounds wild. I might not use any of this. Yeah, no, let's get really weird. Let's see. What do we got? Mallets, voices. I gotta have one of those. I got it. Gotta have that in there. The hell is that? All right, this last thing, I'm gonna add it in there just to fuck with it, but. Okay, so now I'm gonna bounce all this down. I'm gonna export it to Pro Tools. I'll see you guys there. Okay, so we are in Pro Tools now. I have bounced down all the stems from Ableton, uploaded them into Pro Tools. Now I'm gonna re-record the guitar part, and I'm gonna add a couple other, probably guitar instrumentation type parts over top of this, and we'll see what we can make happen. I muted everything except like the bare essentials. This is what we got so far. That sounds like a fart. We gotta get her in tune, sailor. Sounds fucking perfect. Fuck. All right, and then, quantize. Okay. All right, so now with both of those guitars, okay, so now we got two of the little picky guitar parts. I'm gonna pan them left and right so it sounds bigger. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. All right, let's get some effects going. Some reverb. Let's get these guitars sounding decent. Oh yeah. All right, I think we're ready for some vocals. Check. We never talking about it. I treat my horse like an option. If she talking and get out of pocket, he's talking about it. You know. Whoa. Okay, so I realized in the middle of all of this that I had to change a bunch of stuff around because my singing is terrible, and so I had to go back and just take everything down like 2 steps so that it didn't sound like butt cheeks. But what we're gonna do now is I have the vocal for the hook. I've got, I'm gonna lay some ad-libs over it, and then we're almost done. I'll let you guys take a listen to it, so let's do it. Yeah, living life. My computer just fucking crashed. Okay, so we're back. My computer crashed. Great. But we're almost finished. I'm gonna lay down the ad-libs. I have the vocals laid down. I have everything else done. I'm gonna do ad-libs, and then we'll take a listen to it. You always talking about it. Yeah. Living life like a pulling up in a. I think we did it. Let's listen.
You always talking about it, you never making no profit. I treat my horse like an option. If she talking and get out of pocket, I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. To look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always talking about it. You say that you riding in private, yeah, but I see that you cap about it. Living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. So look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it. you never making no profit. I treat my horse like an option. If she talking and get out of pocket.
There you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this remake of Tommy Lee by TYLA YAWEH and Post Malone. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to do one of these videos for. Also, if you want the guitar tutorial for this, I will have a link for that in the description below, so check that out as well. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
You never making no profit. I treat my horse like an option. If she talking and get out of pocket. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines.